Alright, now imagine it's the beginning of a new day and you already have $200 without doing almost anything. A couple hours later, you have another $200. Now, come on, damn, that's a lot of money. Now think, if you earn $200 pretty much every couple of hours every day, how rich you can be. You can finally buy all the things you dreamed of. You will have access to financial freedom and so much more. Want to know how all this is possible? Stick till the end of the video and watch carefully. Do not skip, because this method is very tricky and not a lot of people know about this. Now, before we start with this video, please press that subscribe button if you want to get rich, because we upload money-making tricks pretty much daily, so make sure you don't miss them. How to earn $200 every day without doing anything, you ask? Sure, of course I would answer that, but let me ask you a question first. Do you like reading? Because if you do, it seems like this method will be your favorite time killer as well, because you can also earn money, and this method is especially for people who love to read. If you don't like reading, well, don't worry, because once you get to know about this trick, you would be motivated every morning when you woke up to read a new page, maybe even more. Wanna know something cool? This method is completely legal and also free. All that you need to earn from this method is a computer or a phone with Wi-Fi access. Another thing we would need is Microsoft Word or any other alternatives like Google Docs, OpenOffice Writer, and whatnot. Trust me when I say this method is very simple even for beginners. It's something even a 3rd or 4th grader can do, and it requires no special skills. But before I tell you more about this method, take a moment to subscribe, because we upload videos about making money online daily, and we provide our viewers with 100% legitimate methods, and that's what makes Money Capital unique. Ever heard of the term proofread? Proofread means to read and mark any errors, or at least that's what Google says. But it isn't quite easy to understand. Okay, geez, that's too confusing. Let me explain. Proofreading is basically pointing out someone's mistakes in an article, essay, or book, paragraph, basically what your teacher does in your exams and classworks. You must be asking, why would someone pay for this? Simple. Like America, Britain, not everybody's language is English. There are people in other countries who need English language for various reasons, but let's just say they aren't quite good at the language. That's exactly where your role comes in. You fix the errors, be it grammatical or spelling mistakes. You fix those mistakes for them and they pay you in return. You may be wondering how to earn from this. Well, we got your back. Open your favorite browser and search for HIRESINE.com. This website offers you a variety of jobs from which you can earn from home. You don't really need any special skills to do such jobs. Simple knowledge of computers, the internet, and a knowledge of basic grammar is enough to earn money online from these. It is work from home, so you don't need to travel to the office for work. That is hella cool. Also, wanna know another cool thing? This method is available to everyone in the world and absolutely free of cost. And best thing is that you will also be paid on a daily basis using this method. Now, this website offers you jobs like surveys, typing jobs, proofreading, etc. But for today's video, we will only show you proofreading, since we are focusing on how to earn money online by reading. Be sure to subscribe and comment down below if you want to know more about the other jobs too, because providing what our viewers want is our first priority. Alright then, let's get started with the video. Also, make sure that you pay attention or else you might be lost halfway through. In case that happens, just rewind the video and watch it from the time you got confused. Now, the first step to earning from HIRESINE.com is to open your favorite browser and search for HIRESINE.com. Click on the website and create a free account. To create your account, go to the home page and scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will find Apply to be an online proofreader. Once you are transported to this page, you can see the steps that are required to be done in order to earn from this website. One by one, complete these steps to get accepted. The submission guide can be found here, and if you scroll down, you can find the Apply Now button. This will take you to your job application form. Simply click on the Apply Now button, and once you land on this page, scroll down a little and it'll take you to the job application form of HIRESINE.com. Now, pay great attention at this point because it can get very tricky at this point for some people. But continue doing what you were doing, fill up your details. I understand it's very lengthy and hard to understand, but trust me, once you pass this step, everything is as easy as water. In this form, you will be asked a number of questions, and it is absolutely compulsory to answer all the questions correctly. If you don't do that, you might not be able to earn from this website. One by one, fill up all the details that are required: your username, first name, last name, age, email address, and create a nice password and make sure you don't forget it. And also, put on your phone number. The next section is also very important for your job possibility. You must select your notice period to immediately because you will be chosen within 24 hours and you can start earning money. Then, choose a proofreading job here because it pays well and is also easy, since it's available in all the corners of the world. Select your home country. Finally, select your work status, and in order to get hired, select work status as freelancer. Comparing with the other options, this option clearly has the highest hire rate. Now, writing about yourself is very, very important. It gives your chances to get you hired with a significant boost. Write something like this, or even better, but just make sure it's in English. After you finish, tick this box and then the blue button. You should get accepted and start earning from HIRESINE.com within the next 24 hours or so. There are 2 pages in this project, and just like this, you will receive files and can earn by compiling them. You will be able to finish 10 projects every hour. And if you keep doing it at this pace, you can easily earn $200. Let me also show you what you actually need to do. You see, here's some spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes. All you really have to do is just figure out all the mistakes there are and just keep on fixing them. See? It's that simple. Now that we have taught you how to earn money online, our duty ends here. If you liked our video, leave a comment down below, and of course, hit the like button. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, visit our channel and subscribe because we upload videos like this daily. Subscribe! It's free, just like HIRESINE.com.